Welcome to Money Watch, and this is Kundu. In this video I am going to show you how you can make up to $10 every 5 minutes listening to music. Yes, you heard right. You will be learning how you can earn up to $10 every 5 minutes listening to music. So in this video I am going to show you top 3 websites where you can listen to music and get paid. But before I start the video, I want to tell you that if you haven't you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will come to know about any future videos which I release every day about making money online. And if you stay end to this video, then I will show you a bonus method through which you can earn more money, and that too very fast. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first website I want to show you is radioearn.com. So you simply go to this website radioearn.com, and what you will do is you will simply go to the sign up button here, click sign up, and you will simply fill a form which is very short, and you will fill this form and sign up for an account. Okay. As you can see here, you need to enter your username, first name, last name, then email address, password, and retype password, and fill in this captcha, and after that click on register. Once you do that, you can easily log into your account and you will be making money. Okay, but before I want to tell you is it's completely free of cost. Okay, and it is available worldwide, and you will be earning points for listening to music. Once you accumulate enough points, then you will be able to convert it into USD dollar, and it will be transferred to your bank account or via gift card or via bitcoins. Okay. uh, and this is it, guys. This was the first website. Now I want to tell you about the second website, which is this one, cashforminutes.com. And this is a very unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcast. Okay. And they pay out weekly, and every week they will give you the payout, and it's pretty cool. I want to show you some of the questions, like uh, mm, also mm, you can also earn money through inviting friends to this website. If your friend register their account on this platform and they make money, they you will also make money, some percentage of money. Okay. And uh, and this is very cool, guys. You can go through this FAQ section. It is available worldwide. Okay. And everything is good. If you want, you can also get in touch with them by sending an SMS, email, and they will reply you within 24 hours. Okay. So this was the second website, and this is completely free of course, don't worry about that. Simply click on sign up now, and you will be good to go. Now the next website which I wanted to show you is hitpredictor.com. Okay. So this is a unique website where they list a song which is not released yet, and you can uh, easily earn money by listening to those songs. But the thing is, they want to predict whether this song will be a hit or not, so that is why they are paying you money. Also, you need to know that you must be approved before making money in this website. Once you click on sign up, it's completely free of cost. Once you click, you will enter your username, email, password, ethnicity, then date of birth, country. They, as you can see here, they accept all the countries in the world. So whether you are from any country, Africa or China, you can easily make your account here. And finally click I am not robot and click on sign up button here. And they will there is an approval process, and they will approve you. Once you get approved, you can make money with this platform. So these were my 3 websites where you can earn by listening to music. And if you have any questions, you kindly comment below in the comment section area, and I will be happy to help you out. And the bonus method which I wanted to tell you is, I have provided a link below in the description. If you want to make money fast and even more than that, then click the link below in the description, and you will come to know how to make money fast and easy. You can make up to $500 to $1,000 each and every day. So this is it guys, for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.